Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to make nariyal chutney. Oh, you must be thinking, what is so special about nariyal chutney? But yes, this recipe that I'm going to share with you is very special because it's grandma's recipe from the Malabar region. For making this chutney, you will need grated coconut, sliced onions, pieces of green chilies, ginger, garlic, and that's it. Put all the ingredients in a mixie, add a little salt. I have added rock salt. To this, add a little bit of water and then put the lid and make a thick paste. I have had many kinds of chutneys, but I can vouch after having this chutney, you will not like to have any other chutneys. I have bought the ID idli mix which I am adding to this idli maker. Idli chutney is a very good breakfast option because it's healthy, easy to make, and is very filling. Now the water has started to boil, so I'll put the idli trays one after the other and put the lid on. The flame will be kept on medium and the idli will take about 10 to 15 minutes to get fully cooked. On the other hand, my chutney is ready. I am transferring it in a bowl, and whatever little chutney is left, I'm adding a little water and adding that to the bowl. Now a tadka container is taken, oil is added, and to it a spoon of black mustard is added. Once it starts spluttering, now curry leaves and dried red chilies broken into pieces are added to it. Now this tadka is added to the chutney and mixed well and covered with a plate. As we can see that the idlis are ready to be eaten, and so is the chutney. And I am also ready to have my breakfast. I am adding a little pori powder to it, which will give extra flavor to the food. And now I'm going to eat the idlis. Just see how soft the idlis are, and when you have it with the chutney, I just tell you, it's delicious and you are going to love it. Just try it and then let me know how it was.